how to make a Google form from your phone. First of all, you have to open the Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar, you will write Google Forms. From the Google Forms, you will click on Google Forms Sign In. Now, this interface you will see. Here you will enter the title, like I am giving the title of the test. Any title you can give. So like I am writing test. So if you want to give description, you can give the description about the text from here. This is a practice test. Anything you can mention. So this description is coming. Like here you will set the question and answers. From the questions you will get the questions, and from the responses you can check the answers which are given by your students or by your friends. So first I am adding one question. Like here I have written, what is your name? Okay, if I am making any test, my first question is, what is your name? After that I have put question mark. See, here are many options you will get. Like here you will click it, you can get the short answers. A student can give in a short word also, in the form of paragraph also. Like if you want to give MCQs to them, check boxes, drop down, many options are there that I will tell you. So here I am writing, choosing the option short answer, means student can answer in a 1 or 2 words. So this question is important, compulsory. So here you will do it required. Whatever the questions are compulsory, you can make it required. Then second question I am making it from the plus sign, you will add the second question. Like here I have written the second question, like what is a computer? Here I am giving the choices. So for that I will use multiple choice. Here I am given options: electronic machine, electronic machine or device, you can write whatever you want to, device, non-electronic machine. So you know it is a machine, electronic machine or non-electronic machines. The options are given below, you can choose any options. If you want to give more options, so you can go in the add options. Okay, this question is also required, means compulsory, so here you can do it compulsory. Like second question I am adding, like shortcut key of cut. Shortcut key of cut. So here I want to give the options too, like drop down menu I am giving. So you have to mention, drop down menu is a list is coming from where you have to choose the correct option. Like I have written CTRL plus C. Second is CTRL plus X. This is also required. And second, with the help of drop down menu, you can give sections very easily. Sections, like there are 3 sections A, B, C. So with the help of drop down menus, students can choose the sections very easily, and this is the easiest way that teachers can also do the sorting with the help of drop down menu. So in the case of drop down menu, sorting is also done very easily. Second question, I am writing next question. Again I am making it compulsory. First here I am choosing which format you want to do. I want check boxes. Check boxes means you can choose all the options which are given in the list. Like I am clicking here. Like I am writing memory, internal memory. So what are internal memory, you know? Like internal memory is RAM and ROM. So in this case both answers are correct. So you can give that option in which all the options are correct, so that a person can make a tick on both the things from there required. Now come again here. Now I am choosing the next option, that is file upload. In the file upload, like you want to give the uploading of file, like upload any picture. It will upload any picture from your drive. Like I'm writing, choosing the option file drive, then from where you can write it is required, and then next I'm taking the options linear scale. Here linear scale means it will be provided you the labels, 1 2 3 labels. So linear scale is not so important, so you can choose another option. Like I'm choosing from here, I think all we have done. Paragraph, anything which you have to write in the form of paragraphs, from there you can use paragraphs. Only these are important for you all. Like here it is another option, that is multiple choice grid. Like I'm writing full form of memories. Okay, here are options I am giving. Like only one I want, like RAM. You know RAM is a memory. Here I am adding another ROM. Here I am writing the full forms, random access memory, and here I am writing the full form of ROM, read only memory, and this we are giving important, means compulsory. In this way you can choose the requirement according to your options. Now from here, this option you can choose the color of the text form. Like I am choosing any sort of color I can choose, like I am choosing light background. From here you can use the style of writing and apply. See, it is changed, style of writing is changed. So now if you want to print it, so you will go in a print this form. Here it is making the PDF. You can save it as a PDF. It is printing as a PDF. Which color you want to give, black and white, landscape or portrait you want to choose, you can use any options. So I am not saving it. In this way you can make a copy also. Like I want to make the copy of the form, you can make it copy also. Anything you can do it, which is available here. Like if you want to give the link to anybody, that to your students or to anybody to solve this test, so how you will give the link? First you will click it here, then you will get the option of sending it. Like here form, if you want to mail this form to anybody, so you can write the mail address of this particular person and you can send it. If you want to send the link in a WhatsApp, shorten it, copy it, then open the WhatsApp. Like I want to copy it over there, you can paste it and copy it. Okay, this link is copied over there. Or if you want to, this is nothing, HTML coding is there, this is of no use. If you want to collect the emails of the particular child, so first you have to give the settings. Like I am going here, I am going for settings. Here you want to collect the information, IDs of the person of which you are taking the answers. To answer the response, limit to one response, you want the person to be give only one response, and one you want to give the response. Then you will go in a presentation, don't do anything, then come to the quiz. See, this is a quiz. I want to check the answers or not, or automatically the answers will be generated depend on you. Like I want to make it a quiz, I am making a quiz. Immediately after each summation, I want the student to see the marks after giving the exam, just after giving the exam. So you can give it like this, immediately after each summation, or I want to check manually and then students will get the response. So depend on you. Like I am giving immediately after each summation and save. Now see, here total points they are asking, like you have to give the marks. Now I am giving this question. So how I will set the marks? Right, when you will come here on this question, see a box is there, square is there, where tick is there. Ticket over there, like this is of 2 marks, and from here only you have to choose the correct answer. Like computer is a, what is a computer? It is a electronic device. See, it is green, means this is a correct answer. Whatever the answers you will make it correct, that will be considered correct only. Done. Now see, 2 marks it is coming. Now this same thing you will do in the next questions also. Like this, when I was clicking, this question is shifted up. See, name is coming down and this question is shifted up. So how you have to scroll down? First you will click it here, then you will see slowly you will scroll down. What is your name is coming first, then second is what is a computer. Now again, shortcut key of cut. First it click here, then see a small square which is having a tick. Again I am giving 2 marks. Shortcut key is cut is Ctrl plus Z. So you will choose the correct option, then done. Internal memory, here again I am giving 2 marks. Click it here, again you will get a box, 2 marks, again I am giving 2 marks. Both are the correct options. In check boxes you can make more than 2 correct answers. Okay, then come to the next one, upload any picture. In this you cannot give any marks. Now come to this one. See, here full form of memory. So correct it, come here, give the first marks here, 1 marks this for 1 marks for this. Then correctness, here is random access memory, here is read only memory, and done. Here you can give the marks, 2 marks. Correct answer, anything you can upload it, and done. Now see, total is of 10 marks. Now I want to give the responses, how the students will respond. So again, like I am copying it path. Earlier also I have copied, this is the same path, same paper will be opened, but I am telling you again the same way. This is the form only you will click, you will get the same, and this also you will get the same. Like I am opening it, form is opening, like I am writing my mail ID, you put anything you can write, @gmail.com. anything you can write your name also, like A electronic device. You can choose any picture. Cut option is CTR plus X. Internal memory both. You can upload any file, you will get the option here. You can select any file from the photos and you will see the, like I am choosing this one, upload away. After that you will click on upload option, then you have to wait for 1 minute. See, this picture is uploaded. Now you will correct the answers from here, RAM, random access memory, and read only memory. Now submit it. Now you can view your score also, like you have got 8 marks. Why 8 marks? Because the uploading is not taking the marks. Uploading means it can take any answer, correct answer is not uploaded, so that is why it is showing as a wrong. And see, in this way you can make a quiz. And if you want to see again your quiz, now I want to check the responses. This is the column of responses. Here click it, create it. Now see, your Excel sheet is coming, where you will open it. First it will ask your ID. You can see the answers which you have set, it is coming, and it is showing the marks also, 8 out of 10 marks. If you want to have many things, if you want to do sort, like I am clicking it here, from here you can arrange your letters also. Here is only one, so that is why it is not arranging. If you want to ascending and descending order you want to change, so you can set it also. Telling you how to do sorting in your response sheet. Like first of all, like I want to arrange sections, like some are A, B, C, D, E, F, any sections it can be. I want to arrange in a ascending or descending order, so I want to arrange in the A to Z order. So what happened, what you will do, first you will click it here, this entire row column is selected. You have to see where you have to place the sorting, and after that clicking it here on these things, dots, after that clicking on this you will get the option sort A to Z. Now see, all the sections are arranged. First A are coming, B is coming, then C are coming, E, F, G. E, F, G are only one, that is why they are showing only one. In this way you can arrange your sections according to the alphabets, so that you can get the marks very easily.